In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, apply, and remove modifiers in Blender. We'll start by creating something simple to work with. In a new scene, add a basic object by pressing Shift+A, then choose Mesh and select Cube. This gives us a clean starting point and, more importantly, something to attach modifiers to. Modifiers are powerful, non-destructive tools that change your object without permanently altering the original geometry until you choose to apply them. Next, make sure the cube is selected, then look to the Properties panel on the right side of the interface. Click the wrench icon to open the Modifier panel. This is your control center for adding, viewing, and managing any modifiers on the selected object. Now let's add one. Click Add Modifier and pick any modifier you want. For a clear example, choose Subdivision Surface. You'll see the cube appear smoother in the viewport because Blender is subdividing the geometry behind the scenes. Remember, at this stage, it's non-destructive. You can toggle visibility, experiment, or stack additional modifiers without committing to anything yet. When you're ready to make the effect permanent, apply the modifier. With the modifier selected in the list, click Apply. Applying converts the modifier's effect into real editable geometry. This is great when you're ready to sculpt, edit vertices, or export your final mesh. Keep in mind, once applied, you lose the flexibility to dial the modifier's settings back, so it's smart to save a version of your file before applying if you think you might want to revisit the settings later. There's an important note about mode. Some modifiers can only be applied while you're in object mode. If you notice the apply button is grayed out, switch from edit mode to object mode and try again. This solves most apply-related issues and ensures Blender processes the geometry correctly. If you decide you no longer want a modifier and you haven't applied it yet, you can remove it cleanly. In the modifier panel, find the modifier in the list and click the X on its right side. This deletes the modifier without baking in the effect, restoring your object to how it looked before that modifier was added. And that's it. You now know how to add a starting object, open the modifier panel, add a modifier, apply it when you're ready, handle mode issues, and remove a modifier safely. Practice this on a few objects to build confidence, and you'll be working with modifiers like a pro.